Yesterday, small concept I am telling. Today onwards, we are starting at least. Okay. Yeah. So now slowly observe it here. Yesterday, what I am telling, Oracle. Here, observe it here, Oracle. What is the latest version in our class we are teaching means 19.6. Okay, na? What is Oracle means? Screen observed here. Already we are telling anybody newcomers are there. Check it out here. This is a what? A database. This is a database I'm telling yesterday. Oracle is a database product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a database product from Microsoft. DB2 is a database product from IBM company. That's why different database products are there. These products we are learning. Okay, what is the purpose or anything? This is a database product. I'm telling database. What the purpose of these database products means? To store data permanently in secondary storage devices, hard disk only I'm telling. But unfortunately, in these type of database softwares we are installing in our system, automatically some place is created in a hard disk. This place is called a database. Already yesterday we are telling this one. Now, in this database, we cannot store a random collection of data. This is not a MongoDB. These are relational databases. In these databases, this is a place only. In these databases, we are storing a structured collection of data, organized fashion only data we are storing. Already we are discussing this one. A structured collection of data, a structured format only we are storing a data. A logically structured format only we are storing a data, because these all products are relational data model products. EF Cod introduced in a 1970 relational data model. In that data model, the data is represented in the format of matrix, because he is a mathematician. That's why matrix is nothing but a rows and columns are there or not. A same like tables only, a structured format only data is storing. Once a structured format only data is storing, then we are operating this data by using some languages. What is the language? Yesterday I'm telling only SQL is a language, structured query language. For operating a data in a way relational data model products, then we are using SQL is a language. That's why yesterday anybody not adding means just observe it here. Yes, for operating this Oracle database software, this relational database software, we are learning which languages? 3 languages we are learning only in our course. One is SQL is a language. Another one is PLSQL. After SQL language, we are learning PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL is a language. PLSQL is a language. Another one is nowadays latest programmers. Another concepts also they are familiar. Dynamic SQL. You are good at these 3 languages, then only in a software companies you are also anybody also working in a way these type of relational database softwares. Okay, now here, yes, here up to this one small concept yesterday I am telling only. Okay, fine. Now slowly observe it here, concentrate here. Actually, every organizations maintain databases nowadays. What is the purpose of maintaining a databases means? To storing data permanently. Okay, fine. So many examples are there. Suppose in a banks only, banks maintains a databases. What is the purpose of the where maintaining a databases in a banks means? Day-to-day transactions storing purpose. Withdrawing a money, depositing a money, transaction, money transfer, so many transactions are there. Those transactions storing purpose only. Again, telecom departments only, maintaining a customer calls. They're storing a data, they're maintaining a database. A reservation only, railway reservation or airplane reservation. These all the occasion of here, yes, organizations, different organizations maintain a databases to maintain for maintaining a day-to-day transactions. That is everyone knows. Now check it out. Really, not only Java, not only .NET, not only okay front-end developers, back-end developers are required in a company side, in a software company side. Yes. For example, simple example, really these type of programming language you need? Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Why software? Okay, so now why software companies are recruiting a what? A database programmers also means reason is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Simple example, outside example, I'm telling that is better. So many fellows are daily going to where bank only. For example, now here, yes. Maybe otherwise, so many fellows are going to where in a where ATM center for depositing a money or withdrawing a money, anything. Okay, for example. Suppose now slowly observe it here. For example, my name is Murli. Okay, fine. In a SBI bank only, I have an account, for example. Okay, my account number something. Okay, 1001, anything. Okay, fine. My balance is there. Okay, fine. Observe it here. My balance is maybe now here 5,000 or 2,000. Available balance is there. Okay, fine. For example, now here that is a database projects only. Observe it here. Suppose bank is a table is there. Slowly observe it. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Yes. This is a bank database. Okay, fine. In this bank database only, now for example, okay, fine. Observe it here. This is the account number 1001. My name is Murli. My balance is how much? 1,000 is there. For example, present situation. Okay, my balance is 1,000 is there in the bank only, SBI bank or anything. Again, another okay, the deposit holder is the customer account holder is there, ABC. Now that account holder balance is 3,000. Okay, fine. Just observe it here. Okay, fine. Now slowly observe it here. This is a ATM center. Okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. My account balance is how much? Only 1,000 only. ATM center. I'm going to where ATM center today. For example, any ATM center. Now slowly observe it here. Very easy. Now here, check it out. Now I mentally decided to withdraw some amount in a today, for example. Okay, fine. Yes, here I am inserting a what ATM card. I am entering a what PIN number. Okay, anything. Okay, fine. But my balance is how much? 1,000 is there. Okay, my balance is presently 1,000 is there. For example, okay, fine. For example, my balance is today 1,000 is there. Okay, according to the table in ATM center. Okay, observe it here. My account balance is 1,000 is there. Now I am going to where bank only. Just I am typing a what? Yes, here I decided to withdraw some amount only. But unfortunately, I am not checking a balance amount. What as the balance is there? I am not checking. For example. Firstly, I'm interested to withdraw my amount only. After entering PIN number and all these things only, last only, I am typing a what? 9,000. I am typing only. Whenever 9,000 rupees, I try to decided to withdraw only from the ATM card only. And now here my account number. Now I try to type 9,000 only. Now I am getting a what? 9,000? No. Whenever 9,000 I am getting means why I am struggling, why I am teaching like that only. Now daily I am going to where which was now here bank only withdraw amount only. Now here, but it will give a what? Yes, a message. What is the message? Yes, very good. So many fellows are telling correct. Insufficient funds. Insufficient funds is a message. It will be displayed or not? Yes, here. Insufficient balance. Okay, anything. Okay, now yes. Okay, some message. It will be written or not? Yes, here. But how it is possible this message or why it will be written? This 9,000 rupees you try to decide to withdraw, but unfortunately amount is what? Very okay. So balance available balance 1,000 is there. However, we decided to withdraw what more than the available balance. But in this case, server knows which was an ATM center knows only there is a machine only knows the what these type of transactions. No. But yes, how it is displayed, this one insufficient funds is a message means yes, some database programmer, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, those programmers are writing a what? Database programmers. These are database programmers in a where, yes, in a company side only who are developing a what? This ATM center software only. And now those programmers writing a what? Coding only. That coding is not a difficult. You are also writing. Suppose whenever they are try to withdraw what? Yes, here 500 rupees only. Yes, possible or not possible? Whenever they are try to withdraw what 500 rupees from the 1000 rupees only, means then automatically update a what that 1000 rupees into where again 500 only. Okay. These type of transactions writing purpose, some coding is required only. Those codings they are developed by the way database programmers. For example, don't write it only. These type of things you don't have an idea. Now check it out. So many problems are there. And now here check it out. Concentrate here. Don't write anything. These are demo class only. Just observe it here. Suppose in a company you are joining in a where company, for example. Now here you want to develop that withdraw transaction in this table, means you are writing a what some coding like this. In a future you are also good at what these type of things, procedures, functions, so many things are there. For example, withdraw, yes, here just something is there. Okay, fine. This is a PLSQL program only. Don't write it, just observe it here. Suppose here PA_ account number is there. Okay, fine. Just observe it only. Okay, you are experienced person, means you are also writing these type of things. This is very easy. And now here, yes, here, these type of codings, they are writing only. And now here like this. Don't write it, just these are all the things very easy only. One of these days, you are also good at what that one. And now here, check it out. So now these are not a difficult coding only, very easiest coding. This is a PLSQL side. Observe it here. Suppose here, just they are writing a what, okay, like this. Okay, just execution, observe it only. Don't write it, these all the things. Okay, first time, no. And now here, yes. This is a bank is a table where account number is equal to P_ account number. You are good at mathematics or logical, means you are writing the coding logic only. If yes, whatever, and now here, yes, here, your amount, your user, okay, try to withdraw, no, that amount, and now here, yes, here, less than the available balance. Okay, fine. That logic is there. Then you are writing a what, some, okay, updation, that which 1000 rupees to 200 rupees, I decided to withdraw, means 800 rupees are there, no, that is, we are update something we are using only in your transactions. I update bank, this update command, delete command, insert command, we are learning in our course only. And now here, yes, here, just here, observe it here, balance minus your amount only. And now here, yes, here, these type of things you are writing in a way in a company side. Okay, you are developing some projects, means you are okay writing a what coding like this. Okay, fine. And now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. Yes, here. And now then I would reset it to message. Okay, fine. Yes, here, observe it here. Yes, some message I try to type. And now here a transaction. Okay, so now here a transaction successful. And now don't write it, just observe it here. 1 minute only. And now here, yes. Else, and now here, yes, here, insufficient balance or insufficient funds. Some fellow is telling, no, yes, here, output dot put underscore line. This type of coding you are writing only. Logic, observe it here. Insufficient funds only. Funds or balance, anything also. Okay, fine. Yes. And now here, these type of codings we are writing a what, one of the stays in a where you are a good experienced PLSQL developer. For example, Oracle project side. Okay, fine. Yes, here, roll back the transaction like this. Okay, something is there. Now check it out. Yes, this is a procedure. Okay, they are writing these type of coding, whatever coding you are writing a what, some based only withdraw only, some procedure you are developing. That coding is called, yes, your PLSQL code. Okay, fine. Procedures, functions, triggers, packages, so many things are there. Okay, fine. Now, really, that is working or not? Check it out. Yes, here, suppose my account number, observe it, 1001, morally. And now here, what is my balance is there? 1000 is there, for example. Now I try to execute this procedure only. Okay, fine. Yes, here, observe it here. What is procedure? What is execution? Don't ask only, that is later. And now here, check it out. Just logic, observe it here. Now I try to execute this procedure only withdraw like this only. Withdraw, I am giving a what? A name only. And now here, yes, withdraw, I am giving a name, withdraw like this only. And now here, check it out. Here, my account number is 1001. I try to withdraw 9,000 rupees. Okay, fine. For example, observe it here. 9,000 rupees I try to withdraw. My account number is 1001. Yes, possible or not possible? Not possible. It will give us a what? A message. Okay, fine. Yes, here insufficient funds is a message. It will be displayed or not? Yes, here. Simple. Oh, maybe some coding, now here, yes, some coding you are writing only, then only possible or not? Yes, here, now check it out. Yes, here. Now, again, observe it here. Suppose here, I try to execute like this, withdraw like this only, withdraw, now here, yes, here. Now, 1001, here 200 rupees I try to withdraw. Okay, fine, in my account only. For example, logical observe it here. What is this procedure? You don't know. And now 200 rupees, I try to withdraw from the where 1000 is my balance is there. Possible or not? Yes, possible. Now here, check it out. Yes, here transaction successful completed or not? Yes, your transaction is successful as a message. And now here, now check it out. I try to check my balance only. Yes, bank is a database, table is there. Yes, in a previous case, 1000 is there. Now automatically 800 is there or not? Yes, here. How it is possible? You are writing a what? Some coding. A developer's writing a what? Some piece of coding. If the amount is less than available balance, then update that one. Otherwise, display these type of messages. So many things they're writing a what? Coding only. That is called, now here, observe here, that coding, how you are writing means you are learning in a way, PLSQL code, that one. This update small command is there, no, that is a SQL code only. Now here, one of the day, so you are very good knowledge in a way, those type of things only. Everywhere, not only this one, so many different situation side database programmers are required. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Suppose, for example, nowadays so many, now here so many fellows are, now here check it out. Yes, nowadays I am also, you are also interested to purchase items in an online shopping mall. Suppose here. Now check it out, just idea purpose only. And now here, so many examples are there, just your understandable format. Why these programmers really learning what these courses are required? Yes, and now here, observe here. Suppose I am also, you are also purchasing items in a way online shopping only. For example, so many fellows are online shopping nowadays. And now here, check it out. For example, now slowly observe it here. I'm opening a what? Some website only, for example, flipkart.com. Slowly observe here, flipkart.com, for example, or Amazon. Okay, so now here, yes. In this Flipkart only, in this week only, they're giving a what? October, some date onwards, offers they're giving. That's why I'm opening a what? That website, for example, flipkart.com in my mobile or laptop. Now, whenever I'm opening a what this browser, then automatically that is connected to the where web server. You have an idea? And now here web server, actually, entire architecture, this one, web server. Java, .NET, Python, these programmers are well-known persons in a web server. But unfortunately, now here this web server, big concept that one web servers does not store large amount of data. Storing data, okay, but large amount of data does not store. These web servers are connected to the where? Connect to the where? Database servers. Okay, fine. Database servers. Database servers means Oracle, SQL server. Our course we are learning, no? Yes, here those things only. And now here this is a database server. And now here check it out. This is a database, for example. This is a database server. Suppose, for example, Oracle is a database they are using in that company, for example, and for storing a large amount of data. Okay, fine. Now this is called a database server. This entire architecture. Okay, fine. Roughly I'm telling. Database server. Really, programmers are required or not? Check it out. Yes, here, observe it here. Suppose here in this database servers, always so many tables are there. Those tables are storing a what? Data in a structured collection of data, because these are relational databases. Okay, fine. Yes, you are observed here. So many columns are there. Actually, whenever these type of here, yes, so browsers we are okay. So this type of website through we are purchasing some items means so many tables are there. Anybody working in a very online shopping, they well-known persons. Suppose your order master table is there. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Some tables are there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. In this table, slowly observe here. In this table, now here concentrate here. In this table only, now here in this table, now here, now check it out. Okay, so now here, yes, here, order number. Okay, fine, order number, because we are purchasing items, no, order number or order ID, something. Yes, order date, item name, item number, so many details are there. This is generally these type of here, yes, online shopping mall side, we have project side. This order number, they are giving a what? A primary key, actually primary key only. Now what is primary key? Later. Now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose I am a customer. Okay, fine. I don't know these are all the things. For example, now today I try to decided to purchase a one item only. I'm opening a what flipkart.com. Okay, fine. I'm booking a what one item, for example. Okay, so many options are there. One, I'm booking a what some item, for example, today. Now data works as a web browser connect to the where web server. This web server connect to the where? Yes, here database server only. Oracle SQL server, MySQL, like this only. Now here order number automatically generated 1001. Okay, anything. Okay, some number is automatically generated. Then which item you are booking? What is the which one's now date? So what is the cost? Okay, so many details are storing in a where in this table. But unfortunately, maybe in a worldwide, so many customers are interested to purchase a maybe same item. Suppose another customer opening a what? Yes, same site only. Maybe he is also interested to purchase the same item, possible or not? Same item possible. Okay, fine. Yes, he is also decided to purchase a what same item means. Yes, here this web browser connect to the where web server only. This web server connect to the where? Yes, a database server. In this case, this order number automatically another number is generated. Not that number, another number. Order is different. Okay, but item is same. Okay, 1002. Again, another fellow also opening a what? Yes, here same here site only www.flipkart.com. Again, he is interested to decided to purchase a what same item, for example, same item. Then okay, so now this web browser connect to the where web server, this web server connect to the where this database server. Automatically some other order number is different, order number is generated. Okay, but item name is same. Now here, that's why always now concentrate here. These order numbers, whenever anybody purchasing a what items means in your okay, courier service, okay, so now in that parcel only in a backside order number is there, you are observing or not? These order numbers are automatically generated. These primary key values are automatically generated. How it is generated? These automatically, these primary key values means always, yes, your database programmer writing some coding only. Those persons are using auto increment is a concept they are using. Auto increment is a concept is they're generating a primary key values automatically. Suppose anybody purchasing any items, normally also invoice IDs, it will be invoice numbers are generated automatically or not? How it is possible? That is auto increment concept is there. That is writing a what coding, some little bit of coding they're writing in a database programmer here. Yes, those persons only, these all the things they're maintaining. Suppose here, whenever you are clicking any item, yes, so today suddenly, okay, tomorrow festival is there. Suddenly they are giving a what of 50% of the 10% offer only. How it is possible? How it is visible in a way that 50%, 20% offer that item of son of your yes price means yes, in a database there are changes they are made in a way database programmers are there. That's why yes, some type of programmers, database programmers are required to maintain a what this database. Otherwise, these persons are unable to operate a what these browsers properly. Now here, that is important. Yes, end user side, you are a customer. I am a customer means the databases, web server, these are not visible. This is hiding only. These are not visible only. Only front end user interface only visible. Now here, yes, here. That's why. But unfortunately, yes, here those type of databases also maintaining is required only. Those persons are writing a what some coding only. That's why these type of so many applications. Nowadays, data science popular only in academic careers are also data science is there. And now here those persons are learning a what a Python course. But unfortunately, backend also required in that one. Compulsory database is required. Yes, where they are storing, how they are analyzing the reports, how we are generating the reports, those all the things, database knowledge also required. Those type of situation also programmers are required, these database programmers. That's why always now here, yes, here, okay, in so many different types of application side, these database programmers plays a major important role. That is important. Okay, yeah. So now here, for that purpose only, companies are recruiting what these database programmers, and we are learning what courses anywhere also it is helpful. That's why today onwards, yes, I am starting only. And now here, these all the things I am telling first onwards only. First, just a small thing, write it only on. Write it some theory, write it. Okay, what I can know. Because first time non-technical persons purpose. Small theory, write it. What is data? What is information? All the things today we are telling. Okay, write it small thing. Here, write it. Oracle. Write it. Notes are also I'm giving only. Oracle is a relational database. What is the relational database? In the future, we are learning. Relational database which is used to store data, or information. What is data? What is information? Today we are learning. Which is used to store data or information permanently in secondary storage devices. Next para, write it. If you want to operate, we are also performing operations. If you want to operate Oracle database, what is database later? Okay, Oracle database, then we are using following languages. These are, first one, SQL, write it. SQL means, don't worry, structured query language. Okay, in our classes we are telling, don't worry. Second one, PLSQL, procedure language extension for SQL. Third one, dynamic SQL. Okay, na? Secondary to storage device means hard disk. Okay. Now, Oracle or Oracle server, they are telling only Oracle or Oracle server, same. Okay, because Oracle, SQL, SQL server, MySQL, these are called database servers. Okay, terminology. Okay. Okay, now first, actually, this is okay. Okay, in a future, we are learning about practically those all the things, everyone understandable. But before we are going to start these type of courses in a Oracle, SQL server, MySQL, means better to learn olden days concepts only. At least they are telling about data or information, database, DBMS, RDBMS, okay, relational data model. Okay, so many things are there. Terminology is important. Okay, before we are going to start practically. Okay, that's why first I'm telling you what something only on our olden days onwards, whatever thing is there, that is I'm telling. More clearly, you are understandable today. What is data? What is information? More clear. Once you are learning like that, means you never mistaken anywhere, any number of years also. Now that much of easy way I will tell you. Now observe it here. Actually, all organizations stores data or information for some future purpose only. Maybe they're generating reports. Maybe they're using a previous data. So no analytical purpose, OLAP purpose, OLTP purpose. So many things are there. Okay, fine. Now write it some theory. All organizations, next paragraph. All organizations stores data or information for what is the purpose? Future purpose. Future purpose means so many things they are using about the future purpose. Now citing data. Today more clearly you're understandable what is data, what is information, where we are storing this data or information in a computerized system, data store mechanisms in organizations. In a before 1960 databases are not there. Before 1960 flat files are there. What is that one? Today we are learning then only databases we are starting. Better to know like this, okay? Because so many non-technical persons, they're learning a courses means first onwards better, okay? Yeah. Now, what is data? Now here, anybody referring a what in a books, in a Google, you are typing also what is data means. Everyone telling a what? Yes, here, what is that one? What is data? Anybody have an idea? Yes, very good. Some fellow is telling a what? Yes, it is a collection of information. He is telling only. That is absolutely wrong one. Data is not a collection of information. And now here, data is nothing but a what? It is a collection of raw facts. What is these raw facts? I will tell you. Write it. It is a collection of simple bookish knowledge. It is a collection of raw facts. It is a collection of raw facts. Now check it out. It is a collection of raw facts. So many fellows are, I am also, you are also familiar, collection of, we are familiar, but unfortunately, what is these raw facts? What is these raw facts means? Don't afraid, that easy. What is that one means? You are a computer students, otherwise programming students means, I am telling a what like this. What is that one? Suppose C language is there, for example, C language, and now your Java language, .NET language, these languages are there. In these languages, so many fellows are declaring a variables. You are observing or not? How they are declaring a variables? Integer A, float B, char C, like this only they are declaring. Okay, fine. Observe it here. Now, these are integer, float, character, double. These are called data types. A, B, C, these are called variables. What they're telling about these type of data related projects means either databases, either flat files, either data science, like this only. In these type of either business analyst means what they're telling about raw facts means, observe it here. Yes, raw facts is nothing but a collection of integers, simple. Collection of floats, collection of characters, collection of dates, collection of booleans. That's why collection of primitive data types are nothing but a what? Raw facts only. But how your understandable difference information and data means, today I am telling only. Just observe it here. This is in a books we are referring means some examples they are writing only, same examples why I am taking means today you are understandable. And now check it out. Yes, suppose student marks they are giving only, others okay, so now in a books only. Marks means okay, some marks is a numbers, that is nothing but a what? Yes, here now data, don't write it, just observe it here. This is I'm converting into information, that's why I'm not explaining. And now here suppose customer names are there, here business side only, and now here anybody, and now here so many customer names are there. Those names are collection of strings only. My name is Murli, your name is ABC, another name is XYZ. There is nothing but a what? Strings, a collection of strings. That is nothing but a data. Data means the meaning is not there. Now today you are understandable, don't worry, one of these days. Data not completed, just example I'm writing. Write it this one. Now through the information I am telling you what data and information difference I am telling means, then only you are understandable. Now write it information, side heading information, information, information. Anybody now tell me information? Very good. One fellow is telling correct, 100% correct. In a books we are referring means everyone telling a what? Information is nothing but a what? Yes, here screen observer, don't write it. Meaningful data, correct, 100% correct. This is a meaning is there. Data means meaning is not there really, but here meaning is there. But what is the difference? I will tell you. Meaningful data or in a future processor data is called information. Suppose whenever data is available, then the data we are processing only. And now here, yes, then we are generating a what? Some reports only. That reports are end user understandable format is there. That is nothing but a what? Information. What is that one means? I'm showing a what? Yes, here example side, then you are understandable. Write it, some theory, write it first. Information is nothing but information is nothing but information is nothing but meaningful data. Okay, in this case, okay, meaningful data. Process the data, I'm not telling. Meaningful, I'm telling, because you are understanding. Write it. When we are processing, write it, continuation. When we are processing, data, then we are achieving, meaningful results is called information. Now you are understandable, don't worry. Suppose what are the examples they are giving me? So now here, check it out, concentrate here. Suppose student marks related information is mark sheet. So now mark sheet is nothing but a what information. What is this one? Observe it here, student mark sheet, easily understandable. Suppose now here I am also, you are also, everywhere, and now here so many fellows are, okay, so now for sign purpose also, so now here they are showing a what that mark sheet into the where their parents only. Okay, for example, and now here how I am telling me, suppose here, whenever my college is giving a what, for example, one mark sheet only. Okay, fine. My father is a what, a non-technical person. For example, he is a farmer, he doesn't know anything. Okay, fine. For example, for sign purpose only, I'm viewing a what, this mark sheet to my father only. Okay, fine. He's not a technical person. Okay, fine. Observe it here. Whenever he is observing a what, my mark sheet, easily he is understandable. He is a non-technical person also. Whenever mark sheet is viewing means just, oh, maybe in my mark sheet Java, here 80 marks are there. Okay, fine. Yes, here PLSQL, now here, yes, 0 marks are there. In a .NET, now here, yes, here, for example, yes, 30 marks are there. Easily is understandable. Oh, maybe some course is there, Java is good, but he is not good at PLSQL. He doesn't know this course, something is there as 0 marks only. Or .NET, oh, maybe, oh, son of your 30, okay, so no marks are there. Just easily understandable or not. That's why he is a non-technical person also. End user understandable format is there. That is nothing but a what? Information. Okay, student mark sheet example, write it. Now another example, this student marks related only. And now suppose some other customer names related example. What is the example of the customer names related means? Suppose here, best example, I am writing a what? Invoice of a customer. Invoice of a customer is nothing but a what I am writing. Invoice of a customer is nothing but a what? Information. How means? Simple. Suppose today I am purchasing a one car, for example. Whenever I am purchasing a one car, shopkeeper giving a what? Invoice only. Whenever I am giving a what? That invoice to my friend only. My friend is a non-technical person also. He is observing a what? Invoice means, oh, maybe he is also easily understandable. And now here, what is the car cost? How much vocational tax I am paying only. Those all the details are available. That's why end user understandable format is there. That is nothing but a what? Information. Okay, na? Yes, these two write it. Student mark sheet and invoice of a customer. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. And now here, yes, and now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Now concentrate. Any books we are referring also, any Google we are referring also, so many others are writing like this only. This is a bookish knowledge. But unfortunately, you are understandable or not, that is important. That purpose, each and every time I'm testing only. Suppose, okay, these are the definitions are there. In my screen only, I am writing about something. Maybe that is a data or information. I am confusing. Maybe that is a data or information. You are only tell me. And now here, suppose. Now check it out. 101. I am writing. Okay, fine. Okay, something. Okay, don't write it. Only just observe it here. Morally, I am writing. Okay, fine. 2000 I am writing in my screen. Something is there here. This one 102 ABC. And now 3000 I am writing. Again 103 only. XYZ. Here 5000 I am writing. Now anybody tell me this is a data or information? Confusing only. Now this is a data or information. Maybe based on your knowledge only. Now here, yes, here. Now here, yes, here. Tell me. Now here, anybody? Tell me, anybody? So many fellows are telling about data. Some fellows are confusing. This is a data or information they are telling. Okay, but unfortunately, in a chart box only, I'm observing. Oh, maybe so many fellows are telling data. One fellow is telling a confusion. One fellow is telling both only. He's intelligent fellow. Now here. Now this is data or information. Very good. 100% correct. How you are telling? I don't know. This is a what? A data. Very good. You are telling a what? This is a data is a correct answer. Very good. Data. This is a data. How you are telling? I don't know. Also, unfortunately, you are telling a correct answer. Data is a correct answer. Okay, but unfortunately, how I am giving the guarantee? I am telling. How I am giving the what? A guarantee. This is a data. Means simple technique I am using. For example, now check it out. Simple. Now, for example. Simple example side, outside example I'm telling. Now how I'm giving the guarantee this is a data means simple example. For example, today some demo is going on. This is a what? Murli sir demo. Okay, some small basic I'm telling. Demo class, no? Okay. Now all are attending a what in our student from India or another countries also there? Tell me. Yes, maybe all are from India. Okay, so now so many fellows are from India only. They're attending a what? This demo class. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, slowly observe here. Unfortunately, some other country persons also attending my demo. For example, okay, fine. Whenever another country person, you are telling correct answer. Okay, another country person, for example, West Indian person. Okay, any country person. Okay, for example, entertainment purpose. So one West Indian person attending my demo. Okay, fine. I am telling some stories where I kill something. I am telling. Immediately, I'm asking only. I am writing a what like this. In that West Indian person only, I'm asking. Now here, what is this one? I'm asking. Immediately he is telling what these are numbers. He is telling up to now there is no problem. Slowly observe here. Yes, West Indian person, he is telling what? Yes, these are numbers. He is telling only, okay, I'm satisfied. Suddenly, what is these things I'm asking only? Then immediately, maybe I am surprising only. Yes, immediately he is telling what? These are animal names. He is telling only. What is this one? Now here, observe here. Maybe, now here, maybe that is also correct. Why? Because Murli means who knows? Indian person, some other country person knows only that is a human person name only. But unfortunately, that West Indian person, yes, maybe these names are animal names. He is a what thinking only. That's why end user differently is understandable. I am understandable differently. He is understandable differently only. These are animal names. He is telling only. That's why meaning is not there. These are numbers, collection of numbers. These are collection of strings. These are collection of numbers. That's why meaning is not there. That's why, yes, I am thinking differently. You are thinking differently. Other West Indian person is thinking differently only. That's why here, this is called what? Data. Meaning is not there. Yes, here collection of numbers, collection of strings, collection of son of your characters. These are called data only. Simple. Okay, fine. Now check it out. And now observe it here. Same data, slight changes I'm giving only. For example, in my project side, slowly observe it here. This is a data is there. Just here, I'm changing this one. Okay, fine. Observe it here. I'm changing only. Okay, 1 minute only. Now here, check it out. In my project, I'm changing here. Here, I'm giving a what? Some names. Okay, what is this one? I don't know, but I'm giving a names. Employee number I'm giving, maybe. Employee names I'm giving. Okay, fine. Employee names, he name. Again, salary, I'm giving like this only. Now, whenever I'm giving a what, this one, now here, this is a what, a data or information, maybe, this is a data or information. Very good. Yes, all are telling a what, a correct answer only. This is information. Why? Because this is a meaning is there compared to previous case. Meaning is there in this case or not? Yes, this is information. End user understandable format is there. Why? Because, oh, maybe this employee number is a what, 101. Okay, fine. Yes, his name is Murli. Okay, fine. Maybe he's getting a what, 2,000 salary. Now here, maybe that is dollars or rupees. Leave that one. That is more meaning is not there. Just at least compared to previous case, meaning is there or not? Yes, here. Employee number 102. Yes, here his name is what, ABC. His salary is what, 3,000. That's why end user understandable format is there. That is nothing but a what? That is nothing but a what? Yes, information. That's why every other telling a what, meaningful data is also called as what? Information. Actually processed data, that is later, but ever understandable purpose, meaningful data is called information or not? Yes, here everyone understandable. Okay, fine. Yes, here that is information. Now check it out. Okay, fine. Now again I'm telling, suppose I am typing, screen observe it. I'm typing a what, something only in my screen. Now that is a data or information. 100% you are telling a what, correct answer, I think. Suppose here 70 I'm typing. This is a data or information? Tell me. This is a data or information? Yes. Here now this is a what? Which one? Data. Because 70 means who knows, that is a number. What is this 70? I don't know. You don't know. Confusing state only. That's why always this is a number. Collection of numbers are number. This one, there is no meaning only. That's why this is a what? A data. Very good. This is a data. Okay, fine. This is a data only. Okay, fine. Now in my screen only, suppose in my project side, this 70 already there. In this 70 above only, just I am giving a what, some message. Now here, yes, here age I am writing only. Now this age 70 is a what, a data or information? Logically, on a very good information. Why? Because this is, oh, maybe some person age only, your understandable, end user understandable format is there. That is nothing but a what? That is nothing but a what? Information. That's why end user understandable format is there. That is a information. Very good. Suppose in place of age only, rupees I am giving only. And now here, yo, maybe 70 rupees. That is a what? So now here, yes, here information. Again, dollar I'm giving only. And now here, that is nothing but a what? $70. Okay, that is the information. Suppose here marks I'm giving only. That is marks is a 70. That's maybe some student marks or anything. End user understandable format is there. That is nothing but a what? Information. Very good. That's why end user understandable format is not there. That is a data. End user understandable format is there. That is nothing but a what? Information. Okay, fine. But not only this one. Actually, what is information reality side in a future database softwares we are learning means, actually, some fellow is telling only correct. Processed data is nothing but a what? Processed data is nothing but a what? Information. Very important, this one. What is processed data means? Concentrate here. Suppose now check it out. Don't write it only. These are all the things in a future you are familiar. Now check it out. This is a what? A salary is a column is there. For example, these are so many employees' salaries. For example, now suddenly in my report side, I want this total salary. Total salary I want means in a future you are a database programmer means you are writing a what? Some aggregate functions, some average, now max, min. These are aggregate functions we are using means automatically servers are processing a data. Sum of salary from table something only we are typing means automatically this one is displayed or not. This is also called as information. This is original. Okay, fine. That's why this is also called as what? Information. Processed data is called information. Okay, is a technical terminology in a very warehousing project side. But first time newcomer side, or data is nothing but a what? Collection of integers, collection of strings, collection of doubles. There is no meaning only. Primitive data types are nothing but a what? Data. Again, meaningful data is called what? Information. But unfortunately, in organizations are a question of your users this information this information or data in a way some place only they are storing only. That is called data store mechanisms. Very, very important. Nowadays, database is one of the data store mechanism. Olden days, flat files are there. When it will be, what is that one? What is the differences we are learning? Write it. And now here, side heading, data store. Data store, write it. Data store, write it. Data store mechanisms, write it. It is a place, organization side. It is a place. It is a place where we can store data or information. It is a place where we can store data or information. Actually, every organization in the worldwide, in a one method, they are using only, but how many methods are there? These data store mechanisms means 3 types of data store mechanisms only available. Only 3 types. One of the type is database, but that is 1960 onwards, it will be there. But before 1960, in a computerized system, they are using in a way in a data store mechanisms, organizations, how they are storing means I will tell you. And now here those type of things, write it. Organizations, company side. Organizations uses following 3 types of data store mechanisms. Data store mechanisms. These are, anybody have an idea? Very easy. These are, what is that one means? First one is without computers, that is books and papers. What is that one? I will tell you, books and papers. Second one, computerized system through how they are storing a what data means or information means flat files. What is flat files? How they are storing? I will tell you. Again, another one, 1960 onwards, databases. This type of database softwares are there. Database. These databases you are learning in our course. Okay, these type of database softwares are there. But before we are going to start that one, yes, these are all the things I'm telling. Now check it out. In our course side, we are not telling a books and papers. Maybe in a rural area, in the Indian side, okay, so now so many organizations still they are not using a what in a computerized system for storing a what data or information. How they are storing a what data or information for their employees and their transaction means just ledger books are there, maybe in a account persons, well-known persons. Those account persons only maintaining a what that ledger books only. In that books only they are maintaining a what data or information, their employee names and addresses, salaries, and company transactions. So many things are there. That is without computers also possible. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, in our course side, in a computerized system through how we are storing a what a data or information permanently means 2 ways. One is a flat file mechanism, that is nobody using in a way nowadays. 1960 before, some flat file mechanism is there. What is that one? I will tell you. But 1960 onwards, some problems are there in a very flat files. Based on the drawbacks, some type of database softwares they are introducing. These type of softwares, these type of database softwares they are introducing only in organizations. We are installing a what? These type of database softwares, Oracle, SQL Server. These database software means very easily we are handling or storing or processing a data is possible. How means we are learning. Okay, fine. And now here, before we are going to start databases, these are all the things I will tell you. Okay, fine. Now, first, at least today we are starting flat files, at least a file and some drawbacks I'm telling only. at least basic level, write it. Flat files. Flat files. What is flat files? Means nothing is there. Very easy, but nobody using a what nowadays, these flat file mechanism. Now check it out. Actually, observe it here. Suppose nowadays organizations uses 1960 onwards, 100% database softwares only they are using for storing a what data or information in a computerized system. But 1960 before, databases are not there. Database softwares are not there. Yes, through the flat files only. And now here, yes, before, prior to 1960, they're storing a data in a file format only. What is that flat files? Means observe it here. Very easily understandable. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose you are a latest programmer also, you are understandable. Suppose here, this is 1960 before, not now, just imagination. This is a computer hard disk is there. Okay, fine. Observe it here. Here, D colon, C colon is there. For example, in a drive is there. Okay, fine. In a hard disk. Now, through the some programming languages, we are storing a what some data. For example, how can I suppose you are a C programmer? Slowly observe C, C++, Java. You are a programmer. Okay, fine. Now, okay, latest concepts I'm telling. Okay, in a C program side, I've made so many things they're writing only. How they're writing file structure, they're defining only. Don't write it. Now file programs. Just pointer variable, file pointer, they're defining. In that one only, so much of big concept is there. And now you observed here, maybe some fellows are good at what this C language only. Fopen is a method is there. Okay, fine. In this one, just here in a C colon, D colon, okay, fine. That file name they are giving only. And now here, yes, here, write mode, read mode. Okay, so many things are there. Okay, fine. Through the while loop, through the occasion for loop, anything also. Yes, they're writing a what F write functions are there or not. Through that one, just they're writing a some coding. F write is a function there. Now, whenever they're writing a what this program, for example, through the keyboard, whatever user inserted data is there, that data is storing a what through the program. Yes, the data is storing into where this hard disk only. How it is possible? Actually, whatever file name you are giving only, file we are not required to create physically. Whatever file name we are giving, then automatically that file is created in this location. Okay, which location we are specifying? In that location only, maybe Java, .NET, C, C++, these the programmers, well-known persons. But unfortunately, through the programs, observe it here, through the programs here, some program is there. Through the programs only, they're storing a what a data into where in a secondary storage devices in a file format only. That is called a flat file approach. Nowadays, some fellows are learning a what of file concepts in a way Java, C, C++, Python, in these type of languages through also how they're writing a big codings only, programming languages they're writing. Whenever the programming languages they're writing only, through that one, automatically data file is created and automatically data is storing into where in this file only. These type of programs through only we are storing a what a data in a where in a files. That is also secondary storage devices. Today we are storing means 100 years after also that data is there. Okay, fine. But programs through we are writing our data means not so easy only. Programs through we are storing about the data not so easy. And now here, that's why in a 1960 before, application programs are there. COBOL is a program. And now here ADA is a program. Pascal is a program. Those type of programming languages are there. Through that programming languages, they're storing a what a data in a way in a files only. That is called flat file approach. That is called flat file approach. This type of files are there. Okay, this data is there or not? Yes, through the programs only they're storing a what a data in a where file format only. That is called now here, yes, here flat file approach. Write it, flat files. Flat files. Prior to, write it fast. Prior to 1960, organizations uses flat file approach for data management. For data management. In this approach, we are storing means organization. We are storing data in files by using application programs in high level languages. Some programming languages are required. Okay. Okay, na? High level languages. Okay, now actually these flat files, drawbacks are there. So many drawbacks are there. Through that one, all the concepts you are understandable. Okay, now so now here write it. Drawbacks one by one we are discussing only. Then you are understandable. Drawbacks. What are the drawbacks in a flat file approach? Means your understandable format. One by one, I am telling all the things. One is data retrieval is a problem. Data retrieval. Again, another one is very important concept, data redundancy. These are all the things I will tell you, don't worry. Data integrity. Fourth one is data security. So many drawbacks are there, concurrence, all the things, your understandable purpose. Data security. Again, data indexing. These terminologies I want actually. Data indexing. Okay, one by one, we are learning in a way. Next class only. They are calling only. They are requesting. Okay, another class is there. Okay, fine. 7 only. Okay, that's why tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. Through these drawbacks, we are easily understandable. Yes, what is the flat file approach? Why that problems are occurred? The structure is totally different. Then we are starting a what a database. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will tell you. They are requesting. Okay, it will take a time only. Okay, so now better to some fellows want very fastly. I want to learn. Is better to join in a fast track batches out there. Okay, yes, this is normal track. Okay, yeah, very slowly. So many concepts we are learning. Tomorrow I will tell you some other classes there. They are